Now that you're here, forget all that the wedding planning struggle. Sit back and let Belly's indulge you. Former elder, Belly's brand manager.
Bellanaija Wonderland is pretty much a staycation for about 30 brides. So it's to take the stress off all your wedding planning and to kind of indulge and pamper you. It's pretty much like a surprise what the activity and the itinerary is going to be. So I'm really looking forward to what this weekend is going to hold. I hope you join me for the ride and subscribe to my channel. So what is in here? Cute. Thank you guys. These are very thoughtful. So this is my roommate.
Hi!
She's so excited.
We have like gold headbands. How cool is this?
Very cool.
It's like absolute swag bag right here.
And a cookie with her name on it. What is it?
Oh my god! Yeah, you can't miss me with this.
We're clearly going to get along. Cookies are soft. I wonder what they have planned for us this night. I heard there's a slumber party. Looking forward to it.
I don't like a Teletubby, I don't know what.
Team of Teletubbies have arrived.
She kidnapped me. Damn. Shower. She's so easy to talk to. Like I feel like I've known her forever. Iffy, she's so cute, so beautiful. Where's Makida? It's so beautiful as well, like a model. Theme because she knew my fiance way back. So that's nice. Nice to see an old friend. Happy birthday.
So I like this. What's going on here?
Honestly, I have no idea.
Mine's called Sweet by Nature because there's a whole bunch of sweet stuff in here. I kind of make this cocktail because everything goes well together, which is kind of like me and my fiance. Your husbands are not here. Yeah. Because every time I'm trying to apply makeup on someone's face, I hear, my husband is like, this is breaking news. There's no nude here.
I don't want my husband to know every single handbag I'm buying.
I mean, like,
So I like to have a separate account for my personal expenses and a joint account for family expenses. Some people put everything together. Again, you've got to look at your own relationship. Every relationship is different.
ladies. Hello. So no one spoke to me, but my wife felt the pressure. 8 miscarriages, 1 utopic pregnancy, a birth at 23 weeks, and that one passed before Aima came. Once Aima came, 10 years felt like it was 10 days. Like, she's the most adorable little thing. I mean, she wears wedding dresses in the studio every day. I want you to lace up your mannequins in your corsets. Your time starts now. Zamunda.
Yes. And today she's ready to give out her daughter.
Oh.
She's a proud mom and ready to showcase what she's wearing. She solely picked this color because she really loves blue, and there's no other color that could have, you know,
complements the melanin poppy skin.
Exactly.
Oui, I see it. I see your vision. I know that name on Instagram. Hi, I'm Maya Tato, and I want you guys to subscribe to this lovely lady's channel, DIY Goals. Right? Subscribe. Go ahead and click the button. Click the button now. Now. That's nice. Alright?